In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Illustrator Error 8705 step by step. This is a frustrating error that can suddenly appear when you're running scripts, aligning objects, or sometimes even when Illustrator launches. The good news is that in most cases, this error is caused by a simple layer permission issue or a small settings problem inside Illustrator, and it can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to identify the cause and fix it quickly, so you can get back to designing without interruptions. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Illustrator fixes and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into the solution. One of the most common causes of Illustrator Error 8705 is something called a target layer scripting conflict. This usually happens when Illustrator or a script tries to modify a layer that is locked or hidden. When that happens, Illustrator throws the error because it does not have permission to change that layer. So the first thing we want to do is check our Layers panel. Go to the top menu and open Window, then click Layers, or simply press F7 on your keyboard to open the Layers panel instantly. Once the panel is open, look carefully at all the layers and sublayers in your document. If you see a small padlock icon next to any layer, that means the layer is locked. Illustrator scripts cannot edit objects on locked layers, so you need to unlock them. Simply click on the padlock icon to remove the lock. It's a good idea to quickly scan through every layer and make sure none of them are locked. Next, check whether any layers are hidden. Hidden layers will have the eye icon turned off in the Layers panel. If the eye icon is missing, that layer is invisible, and Illustrator cannot modify anything inside it. To fix this, simply click the empty box where the eye icon should be to make the layer visible again. Once the eye icon appears, the layer becomes active and Illustrator can interact with the objects inside it. Another thing that often triggers Error 8705 is when the active layer is different from the layer that contains your selected objects. In the Layers panel, the active layer is the one that is highlighted. Sometimes your objects are on one layer, but Illustrator is trying to run the script on another layer. To fix this, locate the layer that actually contains your selected objects and click on that layer to make it the active layer. This small change often resolves the error immediately, especially when using alignment scripts, automation tools, or custom extensions. If you are still seeing Illustrator Error 8705, even after fixing your layers, the issue might be caused by corrupted preferences or background processing features. The next step is resetting Illustrator preferences. This clears out broken settings and restores the application to its default configuration. To reset Illustrator preferences, close Illustrator completely. Then reopen the application while holding specific keys on your keyboard. If you are using Windows, hold Alt, Control, and Shift while launching Illustrator. If you are on macOS, hold Option, Command, and Shift during startup. Keep holding the keys until Illustrator begins launching. This will reset all preferences and often fixes strange runtime errors like Error 8705. Another helpful fix is disabling certain background features that can sometimes cause conflicts. Inside Illustrator, open the Preferences menu by pressing Ctrl or Command plus K. Once the Preferences window opens, go to File Handling and Clipboard. Here you will see several performance options. First, uncheck the option called Optimize File Open and Save Time on Slow Network. Next, uncheck Save in the Background. These features are designed to improve performance, but in some cases they can cause runtime errors depending on your system configuration. Turning them off has solved Error 8705 for many users. Finally, make sure your Illustrator version is fully updated. Sometimes this error appears because of a bug in a specific software build. To update Illustrator, open the Creative Cloud desktop app and go to the Apps section. Look for Adobe Illustrator in the list and click Update if an update is available. Installing the latest version ensures that known bugs and scripting errors are patched by Adobe. So to quickly recap, first unlock all layers and make sure none are hidden. Then confirm the correct active layer in the Layers panel. If the error continues, reset Illustrator preferences, disable background saving features, and finally, update Illustrator through Creative Cloud. These steps solve the majority of Illustrator Error 8705 cases. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Illustrator fixes, design tips, and creative workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.